test, which is a speaking card saying you should drink something, and it also measures how much you have been drinking.
Oh, wow.
So this is, it's both good for reminding people to drink, but it's also a tool for us to know how much liquid people have been, the citizens have been drinking. And then again, if you're an employee and you get this information, how do you interpret it? What do you do when people are drinking this much or this much? What is enough? What is too little? There are a lot of, discussions and decisions to take when you implement this kind of technologies. It's not just a cup who tells you to drink. So you have to think all through the organization, and that's why we do all this testing, because we have to get this knowledge. What does it mean actually when you're an employee and you have to use this? When do you react and how do you make the right reaction?